Nash kita poha.
Come on, Josh.
Yeah.
There you go. Turn, Josh. Keep turning. Keep turning.
Nash kita poha.
Come on, Josh.
Josh, let go of the head and come to your knees.
Come to your knees, Josh. Josh, you got to come to your knees. Come on, Josh. Roll to me. Get on your knees. He don't got it, Josh. Roll to me. Come on.
He's gassing you. Look at his face.
Come on, Josh. You got a little under 2 minutes. Come on, do something.
Yeah.
He's got 3 points on you,
Have a
Josh.
great day.
Come on. Come on, Josh. You got to get out of this. There you go. Turn into him, Josh. Come on, Josh. Push into him, Josh. Come on. Josh, turn into him. Come on, Josh. You got to turn into him. You got 1:30 left. Work, Josh. Work. There you go. Keep doing that, Josh. Don't quit. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh. Hip up. Use your hips. There you go, Josh. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Get on your knees, Josh. Get on your knees.
Come on, let's work. Let's go.
Josh. Get to your knees. Get to your knees, Josh. Josh, get to your knees. Turn into him, Josh. You can get in his guard. There you go. Get to your knees. There you go. Get up. Nice. Get that takedown quick. Hurry up. You got 40 seconds.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Clinch up with him. Come on, Josh. Come on. There you go.
Be aggressive. Let's go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You need it. Let's go.
You got to get him down, Josh. Josh, swim. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh. 18 seconds. Get him down. Get him down, Josh. There you go. There you go. Follow it.
Ah.
Come on, Josh.
Well done. Good job, Josh.